How you doing, guys? Today we have 2014 Ford F150 and we're gonna create a new key. Let's start. So I'm going to use a Lishi FO38. It have 8 cuts, but the door have only 6 pins. So I only need to pick from wafer number 1 until wafer number 6. By the way, if you like those videos, please subscribe so you can see our daily videos. Basically, every wafer that I feel is spring, I don't need to pick, I can skip it. So I'm gonna go to the next one until I find one that needs to be picked, that it's not springy. And every binding pin I need to pick. After the lock is picked, I'm going to decode each position, and I'm going to use my software, which is InstaCode, and it's on my phone. So every position I need to push on the lifter until it stops, and then I know the digits. I'm going to open my app, InstaCode Live. I'm going to go to search by vehicle. And I'm gonna go to Ford. I'm gonna go based on a year, make, and model. So Ford F150 from 2010 to 2014. And I'm gonna put the first 6 digits that I got from the door. And it's gonna give me, based on those 6 digits, the option for the extra 2 for the ignition based on the database. Now I'm going to use the SEC E9 key machine. I'm going to put an age 92 80-bit key, and I'm going to look for age 75, which is the blade number, and I'm going to put all of those digits that I got from InstaCode, and we'll hit cut. After we finish cutting, we're going to take the key to the car and make sure that it turns, and if everything is good, we're going to start the programming. Works smoothly on the door. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the key and I'm going to put the key in the on position without trying to start, just to make all the lights come up. I'm going to use Autel Ikey820. It's a key programmer. It's an old version, but it's very good for those Fords. I'm going to connect the OBD under the steering column. Let it start. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go hit OK to key program. I'm going to go to Ford by vehicle. I'm going to find F series, and I'm going to go to 2014 and hit a key, and it's going to the system. It's going to tell me to turn the ignition on. I already turned it on. I'm going to read the amount of keys in the memory, and now I'm going to add a key. It tells me to leave the ignition on, and it's going to take about 10 minutes. So I'm going to leave it here, waiting for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm going to check that the car lights and the AC, that everything is off. I don't want to drain the battery, and we'll get back when it finishes counting. When it finished counting, it's not going to show you anything on this computer, but you know, if it finished everything, it should start the car, and it should, if everything was done right, the car should start. Let's listen. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Everything works nice and easy. Thank you for watching.